Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. Hello smart learners! Today, let us solve a simple algebra problem step by step. Maths problem. Let us solve this algebra problem step by step. The given expression is a plus b, c minus d, plus a minus b, c plus d, plus 2 times ac plus bd. Let us solve this step by step. Let us solve this using algebraic expansion and combining like terms. First, we open the brackets. A plus b, c minus d, becomes ac minus ad plus bc minus bd. Same like second bracket, and third part. Write all terms together. Next, we combine like terms. AC terms, AD terms, BC terms, BD terms. The final answer is 4AC. Method 2. Using algebraic identities. Let us solve this step by step. First, we use the identity a plus b, c minus d, plus a minus b, c plus d, equals 2ac minus 2bd. So the expression becomes 2ac minus 2bd plus 2 times ac plus bd. Now expand the last term and simplify. Combine like terms. We are left with 4ac. So, the final answer is 4ac. Well done, smart learners! Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more maths learning videos.